Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome back to a new update on Matic. We'll do a full update. We'll do a technical analysis, mainly technical. Perhaps we'll take a look at some fundamentals as well. I think that's usually interesting, and I think it's also valuable and for you. So we'll do that quickly. But just in general, if you're new to the channel, what we'll do, first of all, welcome. But what we'll do is a full update on Matic, and in the end, my goal is always that you're optimally prepared for everything that could happen from here. All right, so that's the goal. Hopefully, we can actually reach that. But for now, onto Matic. Before we do that, by the way, I also have my own Signal group, which you can see at the top right there. If you want to know more about that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or on cilinix.com. There you can see what it looks like and also gain results. I think that's somewhere in there as well. And just in general, the strategy. So yeah, but now onto Matic. So to start off with just some general things. Volume is steady, all right? Volume hasn't grown, which is quite significant because the volume in the markets is up. So that means that there's a bit less momentum for Matic / Polygon. Polygon, the network, has done fine. No significant no significant uptrend. Same with the Polygon ZK EVM, but overall is doing quite well. So if we take a look at market structure, I think that's most important right now. What we're seeing on the short term is actually that we are getting into some sort of a consolidation, all right? A consolidation range between, I would say, ultimately like 71 cents, and then at the top, 79/78 cents. I think this is the range in which we're functioning a little bit now. I think it's confirmed by the EMAs being relatively flat. So we're going to, first of all, I think we'll stay in this consolidation on the short term. At some point of time, we can actually get a bullish breakout, but we'll still have to see how that goes. Like right now, what you can, for example, see, or what I expect, this is the daily time frame, is that there's some sort of there was some sort of a wave right here, which I think ended with this bullish wave all the way up to 89 cents after the XRP news. I think we would have gotten that fifth wave either way. I think it was a little bit bigger because of the news that fueled it, and that ever since, I think we got into some sort of an Elliott wave correction. I almost had to sneeze. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to hold it up. Some sort of an ABC correction right here. And it seems like there's a possibility that we're starting a new impulse wave right now, all right? So that's obviously interesting. And then this is kind of the second wave. Second wave has retraced quite a lot, but it isn't invalidated yet. I think we went down to the 786 or something of the first wave. So now what we would try to do with that is obviously get a third wave, probably up to 84 cents, and then continue all the way up to 90 cents again. All right, so this would then be the market structure. I'll let you decide whether that's seems realistic or not. At this point of time, I would not say that is realistic. All right, it seems a bit too bullish. And getting all the way up to 90 cents is definitely possible, but not with Bitcoin struggling like this. I think doesn't matter how much you like Polygon or not. I like it a lot. It's just not going to happen. So what I think is more likely is that we will actually not form a wave just yet, but that we are actually in a small phase between impulse waves or between trends in which we will consolidate. So given that structure, or given that assumption, I think it's more likely that we will drop down to 72 and 71 cents, gain some liquidity from there, find support, and actually get back up to at least 78 cents on the short term. So I still expect bearish momentum on the short term, but then a bounce back to the top of this consolidation range around 78 cents. Now, once we get to that level, there's always a potential to get that bullish breakout and to potentially start a new impulse wave up. Something like this, right? There's always that potential. But I will be back with another update then, because it would depend a lot, like whether we can break above 78 cents or not. It would depend a lot on what Bitcoin's doing. It depends a bit on Polygon's fundamentals as well. Like, for example, right now they're rolling out a lot of Polygon 2.0 features. Great, but you'll always with that have some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news effect, right? So we'll have to see. Like I said, short term, I still think like there's a very strong support level around 72.9 cents with a trend line, for example. So that's interesting. But for now, I do think we're dropping down to that level, and then from there we'll find support and potentially get a bullish breakout and potentially start a new impulse wave, but I'll leave that in the middle for now. So that's what I expect. That's a full update on Polygon for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.